It is dead cold. Now we'll be going on a ride of 26 kilometers to the point where we are going to start our rafting, which is called Marine Drive. It reads Green Ganga Adventure. So guys, we are all stoked up for the event, and this is like I'm looking extremely funny, I know that. And at the first point, what you have to do is you have to carry your pedals down to the point where those individuals will bring the raft and we'll start rafting. मेरा विपिन है, विपिन शर्मा, आपका गाइड हूँ। जगह का नाम है मरीन ड्राइव। फिनिश करेंगे हम NIM बीच, यहाँ पे आपका एंडिंग पॉइंट है, उसका नाम है NIM बीच। लगभग डिस्टेंस होगा 23 किलोमीटर। We are taking our positions. This itself is very tricky. Jai! 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 We are very close to the sea blind mice. Wow! Pop. So we are heading for the next rapid, which is called Camelback. Camelback. Guys, this is literally riding a camel in the desert. So guys, we are approaching Sripuri. We have crossed a few rapids named Three Blind Mice, Crossfire, Body surfing. Good morning. We started with good morning, and we are waiting eagerly for golf course. So now we are excited about the king of all rapids called the golf course. So guys, we are done with all the rapids now, and right now we are just chilling around in the water, and we decided to do rafting in the month of December. It is dead cold, but it is extremely enjoyable. This is amazing! Guys, don't leave. Guys, don't leave me, guys. Guys, don't leave me, guys. So we're going up again. The water is this cold that you can't even speak. So we are done with rafting. Guys, it has been an amazing experience, and I would say that you should definitely try this. Now the next thing is that we are going to a camping spot. Hi guys, so we have reached to the camping location, and this is the camping place where we are going to spend a whole day. This small trail to the campsite is really beautiful. It's extremely quiet around here, so if you don't make much noise, you'll be able to hear so many birds chirping. So we have reached to our camp. It was a very quick hike and a very beautiful one, and I'll show you the area around.
Hey guys, we are playing Ludo.
So guys, we have winded up our camp. After making few small stops in the city, we'll be going back. And guys, Rishikesh has been a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful experience for me. And especially rafting in winters is something that you should definitely try. And if you're liking what you're watching, then please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. And I'll be coming up with more freshly brewed content every week. Hi Naveen.
Hi. Wow.
Can you blink your eyes?